Here I've got Huawei Honor 9X, and let me show you how to activate SwiftKey Autocorrection on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and here just click on Language and Input. Now select SwiftKey Keyboard and select Type In, it's right here. And if you would like to activate autocorrection, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher. And once the indicator is active, words will be corrected to the middle prediction as you type. Then if you'd like to turn it off, just click here again and it will no longer be active, but I will stay with it as it's a super useful feature. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can activate autocorrection in your Honor 9X. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.